In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step assembly of a 12 by 20 foot hardtop gazebo featuring a galvanized steel roof, curtains, and mosquito netting. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure all parts are included in your package. Check for the main poles, roof panels, screws, and accessories. It's recommended to have at least 2 people for this installation, and choose a flat, stable surface for best results. Align Part A with the designated holes on the other components as shown in the diagram. Once aligned, securely fasten it with the appropriate screws provided. In this step, we begin assembling the roof structure. These components will form the peak of the structure, so it's crucial that the connections are secure. Once the pieces are attached, tighten the screws as indicated to ensure that the frame remains stable and ready for the next stages of the installation. In this step, we focus on completing the roof assembly. These connections form the support for the upper structure, ensuring stability and strength. After securing all the parts, double-check that all connections are tight and properly aligned to avoid any issues in the next stages of assembly. In this step, you will be installing the roof panels. The diagram shows the precise placement and orientation of the panels, so make sure each piece is aligned properly to maintain a neat and sturdy roof. Once the panels are positioned, tighten the FF screws as indicated, securing the roof panels to the frame and completing the roof installation. In this step, we focus on securing the central column to the base. Begin by aligning the PP component to the bottom of the central support pillar.